For iLife V5s V3s V5Pro V50 V55X5 version 5s Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner Parts Pre. For iLife V5s V3s V5Pro V50 V55X5 version 5s Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner Parts. A review. If you're looking for replacement parts for your iLife V5s V3s V5Pro V50 V55X5 version 5s Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner, then you've come to the right place. In this review, we'll take a look at the different types of parts available, as well as their prices and where to buy them. Primary dust filter. The primary dust filter is one of the most important parts of your robot vacuum cleaner. It traps dust, dirt, and other debris as the vacuum cleaner cleans your floors. Over time, the filter will become clogged and need to be replaced. You can find replacement primary dust filters for your iLife V5s V3s V5Pro V50 V55X5 version 5s Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner online and in stores. Prices range from around $5 to $10. Side brushes. The side brushes help to sweep dirt and debris into the path of the vacuum cleaner. They can also help to loosen stuck-on dirt. Side brushes are relatively inexpensive, and you can usually find them for around $5 to $10. Efficient Hepa filter. The efficient Hepa filter traps even the smallest particles of dust and dirt. This helps to keep your home clean and free of allergens. Efficient Hepa filters are more expensive than primary dust filters and side brushes, but they're still relatively affordable. You can find them for around $10 to $20. Where to buy replacement parts. You can find replacement parts for your iLife V5s V3s V5Pro V50 V55X5 version 5s Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner online and in stores. Here are a few places to buy replacement parts: Amazon, eBay, iLife, Walmart, Target. Conclusion. Replacing the parts on your iLife V5s V3s V5Pro V50 V55X5 version 5s Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner is easy and affordable. By following the tips in this review, you can keep your vacuum cleaner running smoothly and efficiently.